Have you ever dreamt of owning a vacation home? Not far from the serene beaches of Goa or nestled in the hill stations of Lonavala? Introducing Amaranta's vacation homes that you can own at a fraction of the cost. So you may ask, how does it work? Amaranta brings to you the concept of fractional ownership for vacation homes, which is a unique way to own a portion of a valuable asset instead of buying the complete home. In this method, you purchase a fraction of it, sharing the costs and benefits with like-minded individuals. It's like having all the perks without the hefty price tag. The benefits of fractional ownership are many. Firstly, accessible luxury. Amaranta's fractional ownership offers affordable vacation home ownership by sharing costs and benefits among co-owners, all managed by Amaranta. That's not all. Amaranta offers much more. Amaranta rents out the property and provides an opportunity to make consistent returns besides the appreciation of value. What's more? Diversification and returns. Fractional ownership allows you to diversify your investment portfolio by owning fractions of multiple properties. Furthermore, these properties have the potential for good returns as luxury properties tend to appreciate over time. It's a smart investment choice that offers both enjoyment and potential financial gains. Lastly, Amaranta thrives on hassle-free maintenance. Amaranta takes away the stress of property maintenance. It efficiently handles the maintenance, repairs and upkeep of its properties. Relax and enjoy a well-maintained property hassle-free. Take advantage of the benefits of the fractional ownership with Amaranta and unlock a world of luxurious vacation experiences. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our fractional ownership program.